In this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can view your offline videos on your X account. So it's pretty easy to do. It's very simple. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, for an example of today's video, I'm going to go ahead and save this video of Wiz Khalifa shouting out Playboy Max. So I'm going to go ahead and click offline here and click the plus sign, and you can see here that this video was actually added to our offline videos as we already downloaded it. So all we have to do in order to see it is swipe right, and then right under the bookmarks option there's going to be offline. All you have to do is click on it, and here you can see all of your offline videos that you have, and that's how you do it. That's how you go ahead and see your offline videos. So if you're maybe on an airplane and you want to view them while in air, you can basically click on them and just view them all day long. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video, subscribing, and commenting down below that it helped you. This will help out the channel a lot. But with that being said, I'll see you all